Sexy face. Sexy face. Yuck! I can't!
Parang crush mo yan.
Oh, we're not alone.
Guys.
May cameras pala dito.
Yes!
Which camera are we gonna look at?
This
Oh, this one. Alright. So today we are actually gonna be trying out
Avon True Perfectly Matte
Lipsticks.
what shade do you think would look good on me, Ashley?
I wanna try out something more nude na parang brown.
Ako naman, I will be spontaneous
Wow.
for once.
I think this is the first time it's gonna try
Tignan natin if
hot blonde.
mag-workshop.
Okay.
Hoy, ang ganda niya sa hair color mo.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is Coral Fever.
Cool.
Yan. Maganda, maganda. Yan, sige.
Mine is the Lush Cocoa shade.
That's a really pretty shade.
Yeah, it's matte but it doesn't feel drying.
Mine is something mauve.
Cute color.
I'm going to try Divine Twig.
Ako naman, si French Toast. Cheers muna
Cheers!
tayo.
Cheers! Okay,
Yes!
then let's try.
Ay, oy, ang ganda niya i-apply.
Para akong mabait. Womanly, adulting.
Ang maganda sa nudes, you can be playful.
Oh, this is a lovely color. Wild cherry.
Okay, let's try it. Let's see how it looks.
You never know who you're gonna bump into. Good discovery. Twig.
This one is the shade called Electric Pink.
It could give you that electric energy.
I wear pink every day, tapos I feel younger.
Alam mo, ito yung mga go-to looks ko everyday. Feeling ka mukha akong sa Fizz. Ayan, sige.
It appears that all nude colors we've tried so far seem to be universally flattering.
If I were to choose like one color, I will choose Divine Twig. It will enhance your look talaga.
I feel like
Yeah, I really like the
everything
nude
I tried.
ones actually because I'm a nude kind of girl.
Ganito yung lipstick ko when I party. Ganun lang, pag nakapa.
Ganyan.
Maliba sa amin.
Wow.
Yes, girl. Yes!
Okay, you guys can try these lippies out at avonshop.ph.